Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if this is your first time watching me, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Rochelle, and if this is you coming back, hello again. So I dropped my Stray Kids Thunderous music video reaction a little bit ago. At least while filming this, I did yesterday. But it's gonna come a little later on the channel, I guess. So yeah, this is the dance practice for that dropped yesterday, and I put it in my playlist so that I could react to it. So let's watch the dance practice. I'm very curious because this song is so upbeat and so fast, rapping wise and everything. So I'm excited to see this dance. It's gonna be powerful, I feel like. Like, just the dance in general. I like that. Oof, oof, oof. Oh. Wait, let's go back. The way Changbin came in, crazy. I really like his eye patch. It gives a vibe. Seungmin vocals. Wait, Chen is blonde here. He didn't like the orange anymore, I guess. Or maybe it's like a color that just stays in for like a little bit. That can also be. I like this moves, like this. Wait for it. The drops, amazing. That's even lower. You know, I said about Tomorrow by Together, but like Stray Kids is also like they grew so much into syncing with one another for dances. It's incredible. Okay, IN. You know, IN might still be the baby age-wise, but he's not a baby anymore. He grew so much. Yeah, I really like those drops. And right on the beat, right? Amazing. The footwork. You know, I have been a dancer in the past, but I don't know enough about dancing to really criticize them on any moves. But I do still enjoy watching people dance. Oh, I like this. This is nice. Yes. So I heard Alyssa say this in her reaction, and I actually agree with her. The line, "I'm not sorry, I'm dirty," is incredible. I keep focusing on that line, not on purpose, but like I keep hearing that when I listen to the song, because you bet this song is on my playlist. So I keep hearing that line over and over, also in my head sometimes after listening to the song, and it's incredible. Like, who says that? I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Like, what? So yeah, that's a great line. This song has a great message within itself, but like this dance practice, the dance is, like I said, very powerful. I like the drops right on the beats. Also the little thing where they were like a train, they were forming a train, kind of like going in circles, with two of them like on them. That was a crazy move, but I liked it. I feel like we didn't see that actual move in the music video, but yeah, incredible. So yeah, I hope you liked my reaction. If you did, leave me a like. Make sure to subscribe if you are interested in seeing more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.